Hi everyone! We have a 2010 Fortuner, Toyota Fortuner. The client wants to restore it to be like how they bought it from the very beginning. So what we do is we buff and degrime the unit and we apply ceramic coating on the glass, on the body, the headlight, the grille, and all the plastic parts. As you all know, the plastic tends to fade, especially like the step board. It will become very pale black. Like this, we apply. This is a 4-coat ceramic coating to bring back the shine black on the step board and also the body. As you can see, very shiny. All the watermarks on the glass, we remove it. Even the rims, we degrime all the dirt. We also, as you can see, the reflection from the hood. And also the lights, we upgraded to LED. The original on this unit, the projector is HID, but we converted to LED also, and the high beam to LED, and also the fog lamp. For the fog lamp, we're using the 3000K, the yellow, the low beam, and the high beam. We also replaced the reverse to high power also. For the interior on this unit, we reupholster everything. The interior, like from the steering wheel, we replace it to genuine leather. This is how we do it here. And also the shift knob. And also the seats. All the 3-row seats, we replace it. This is genuine fixed leather we're using on this unit. Also the sidings, we replace it to a new second row. It's like from the factory. This is how we do it here. Also the third row, we replace it. We also do general interior detailing. We remove all the carpet and we clean the ceiling so that it will get the bright color back, the beige. Before we clean this one, this is very dark already. It's very dirty. Also, all the hinges, the door hinge, we clean. And on the tint of this unit, the client chooses the BF Stone Plus Ceramic. This is the 90% heat rejection. On the front, we're using the medium. Same with the two sides. Before I forgot, we also upgraded the head unit to Pioneer ZL5150 BT. This is specific for Toyota size. No additional spacer edge to install. This is plug and play. Then the second row to the back, the client uses the super dark from here. Super dark. Second row to the back. Super dark. Okay. Also, we install matting on this unit. Yeah, before I forgot also, we replaced the shocks on this unit to Tain Enduro Pro Plus to give that more, how do you call that? Lambot ride, soft ride. It's a very big difference, trust me. Okay. Okay, if you like our services here, feel free to message me and please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Stay dry, everyone. See you here. Bye.